If you're still watching this series, you're serious. You're not shopping anymore. You're deciding. Let me hand you the exact 7-point checklist that I've used with friends, family, and loved ones, as well as thousands of clients over the last 20 years to make sure they don't get burned. It's simple, it's bulletproof, and it could save you literally thousands of dollars. 1 is your water heater compatibility. Can your current water heater actually support and fill the tub that you're purchasing and maintain that water temperature at a comfortable therapeutic level for you? Are you considering a shell that has an inward swinging door or one that has an outward swinging door? These two engineering designs are radically different, and they're for people with very specific and unique mobility issues. You need to be very clear that you're choosing the right design for you. Can you open it in an emergency? Is there room in your bathroom for it to function properly? What is the seal system? And how do you test it to make sure it's functioning properly before the installation contractor leaves? 3 is the threshold height or process for entering the tub. Is the threshold truly low enough for your mobility? Can you easily enter and exit whether you're on a walker or you need assistance? I have hundreds of customers, for example, in wheelchairs, but they can still use a walk-in tub. You need a certified safe bathing specialist to make sure you figure that out when you're selecting your shell in your tub. 4 is grab bar positioning. Where are they? Who places them? Are they going to support you through the entire transition process? A misplaced and poorly located grab bar can actually increase your risk of injury, and you need to make sure that the installation contractor knows how to install them properly into studs or with proper bracing. Number 5 is drainage time. Drain time isn't a feature, it's math. It's a function of your existing home's waistline and diameter and flow-through rate, and it's a function of the drain chute that we're putting on your particular shell. And there's a lot of misinformation about performance when it comes to filling and draining these tubs. You want to be sure that you're doing whatever you can to fill the tub as fast as possible and drain it as fast as possible, and you're not being taken advantage of with some sales gobbledygook, which may or may not have any practical implication relative to your fill and drain times. 6 is installer credentials. Is this installer, and 99% of them are, is this installer an independent contractor who works for the company, not for you? Are they certified? Are they a certified safe bathing specialist? Do they have insurance? Do they have references? Are you going to be in contract with that specific contractor who's coming into your home? I think that's really key. Or are they just the guy that the company hired? Many of these contractors are road warriors. They travel all over going from one install to the next, and they have very significant issues with warranty and quality. And that leads to 7, warranty enforcement. Who services the warranty? Is it the contractor who actually does the work, or is it some other company that has licensed maybe a big name brand? You think you're dealing with this big company, but you're not. You're dealing with a subcontractor. So you want to know who is standing behind the warranty on your product. Every one of these points came from watching hundreds, even thousands of people make painful mistakes. Mistakes caused by a lack of information, trusting a smooth-talking, charming, affable salesperson with a nice face, flashy brochures or expensive TV ads, celebrity endorsements. You can avoid all of it with 15 minutes. This list and our support and a little backbone. Remember, this is your home, your safety. It's your peace of mind. You don't owe anyone a yes. Now, in the next video, we're going to take everything that I've covered in this series, and I'm going to tell you what I would do if it were my own mother or father. No sales, just truth, the kind you don't regret. Download the full Bentley Badge checklist below, print it, highlight it, hand it to the salesman or the installer, and if they roll their eyes, you know to tell them. Don't let the door hit you in the rear end on the way out. See you in the next video.